Before I start this video, if any of you guys have any issues or you want me to add a feature to this plugin or something, go to the issue tab and make an issue. For example, this guy, his name is Rick. He made this issue about some features he wanted to be added, and we talked back and forth a bit, and I added the features he wanted. And this is just super helpful for me to know what you guys want in this plugin. Now, one of the features Rick wanted was to be able to access the export variables on his enemy script in the spawner. Now, I added this feature by using this person's script, which I linked in the README at the top of the plugin. And now what you have to do is on the spawner, it's the same for spawner and multi-enemy spawner. And you would go in here, do new customizable pack scene, and then here you would quick load your scene. So let's say Cyclops, and now I have access to my speed variable and my change direction time variable, which we go back and it's right here. And that's one of the first features I added. The second one is a random time between spawns. So by default you had like a constant value, you could change that to be like every spawns every 3 seconds, every 4 seconds. But I added this check mark, so if you click on it, this gets disabled, and now you choose a minimum time and a max time, and it randomizes it. The default time is 1 second to 5 seconds, and it's the complete same if we go in here. The use random time, minimum time, and max time. Now, there's another feature in the signals for each of them. So for the spawner, there's a new signal called enemy spawned, which gives you the parameter of enemy, and it's the exact same for the multiple enemy spawner. So in an example, let me open up the default world scene with the demo, which everyone has if you download the plugin. In here, we now get access to the enemy, and I just said to print the enemy name of like the scene when it gets spawned in. So Cyclops, then at character body 2D at 2. And Rick wanted this so he could attach his own custom enemy signal. Lastly, the really small change I did was I completely forgot to do this, but now there's class names for the spawner. So we got a single spawner, multiple spawner, and the spawner container has the class name of spawner container. And that's it. It's a really short video, but I just wanted to show you guys. If you have any features you want me to add, just message me and I'll try my hardest to do it for you. Bye!